Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use the offset command. This is a good command that I like to use for arcs, as you can see on my screen. So up here in the modify menu, you've got offset, or again, type offset, and you can get it from the drop down menu that appears on the screen here. So I'm going to select that. So the first thing it asks you to do is to specify the offset distance. So I'm going to choose a nice solid number, 250, and enter. Then it says, please select the object to offset or exit and undo. But this is the object I want to do. So you click on the line, and if I bring it this way, it's going to bring it this way 250, or I can take it that way 250. So let's go for that, and we can do it again. And then I bring it this way 250. And that's it. Very simple. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.